Good afternoon. Today we're going to talk about thinglink. Thinglink is a web tool that helps you make your photographs, your pictures interactive. When we talk about interactive, you might wonder what that means, and I'll show you real quickly. You slide your cursor over an image and you can touch, for example, some text that you might have put on an image. You can go down here and put in relief another image of what that student is doing in this case. You can use a video here. Obviously there's a lot of opportunity for this as students and teachers, and we'll talk about that in a little bit, but first let's talk about how you create something on thinglink. It's really quite simple. To begin with, you take an image on your mobile device. Here's an image of a student at work, the same student we saw a couple of minutes ago. Of course, you download the app, in this case the mobile app. You can download this from iTunes, an iOS system, or you can download this as an Android app. Either or works fine. Once you've downloaded it, you have a choice of choosing an image. You can go to your gallery, or you can take a photo and put it right in there. Obviously we have a photo we've already taken. Upload that photo, and then you can add text to that image, you can add an image to that image, or you can add a link to that image. Go one step further, you can put a title to that image, and we'll look at how that looks when we're done here. Once you have that, this is the picture of what it looks like on your mobile device, on my phone. Go one step further, and you'll see that you can share it. Here's the share button. You can share that using lots of different tools. Okay, you can put it right on Facebook, you can put it right on Google+. If you were to scroll down, you can see you can put it right on Twitter. So that's how you use the mobile device, and the mobile app in some ways is limited because basically what you can do is you can take images, you can create images, and you can share images. If you are interested in going to the web app, you can go one step further. Here's the web app. On the web app, you can do a little bit more editing. You can stream images. You can hold your images. You can see all the images that you've used. You can obviously again share it from here. You can record and look at stats in terms of how often your image has been looked at. You can browse a wide array of images that are public that other people have used, and I'll show you in a second how that becomes a helpful tool. You can create student groups, so you can have a classroom set up. And so let's look at what you can do as a teacher beyond creating something that your students can use as a tool. For example, this could be something, or this could be something, or this could be something that students could use in a flipped classroom. You can take this image by Aaron Douglas, and on it you've got all kinds of links. You could send this home with students. They could study this. They could bring it back, bring their notes back the next day, and class begins. You could do this with images that you put on there. This is one that I put on there. Or if you browse and you touch an image, you indicate you like to possess that image in your catalog. It's called touching it. You touch it and you bring it to your inbox, okay, your gallery. And here's an example of one that would be really helpful for modern times. It's a timeline of the unrest in the Ukraine, so you can see in ways that you can follow the timeline. You could again send this home with students, or you could use this with students in the classroom. Lots and lots of applications for this as teachers, lots of applications of this as students, and it's a quite easy tool to use. So in a nutshell, that's thinglink.